back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Sierra and I make videos about navigating my life through my 20s. And today I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a week. Lately I have been really struggling with the things that I've been eating. I feel like the past few weeks I've been eating terribly, mainly because I've been going out a lot, just because it's been a lot of people's birthdays, and then I get busy over the weekend and I don't end up having time to meal prep or cook, or I'm just tired after work. So this week we're going to try our best to make homemade meals that are nutritious, delicious, and let's get into it. Yesterday I actually made butternut squash soup, and that's what I'm gonna eat for lunch today. I do have to go out and buy some things for it because I want to eat it with some bread and I don't have any right now. So let's go to the grocery store and pick something up. Went out to get some rye bread. I think I'm gonna eat it with some cheese, and then I have salami as well. This is the soup, my butternut squash soup that I will be eating. And then I have these cheese sticks, so I think I'm just gonna like cut them in half like that so I can eat it on top of the bread. I'm just trying to clean out my fridge right now, to be quite honest with you. So let's make the sandwich. Done. I have my open kind of sandwich, I guess, with salami, and then I think this is Gouda cheese on rye bread. And then we have our beautiful soup over here. It is butternut squash with some garlic, ginger, sage, rosemary, and then onion as well. It's cold. I need to put it back in the microwave. Okay. As my food is reheating, I think I'm back into eating soups again. I don't even remember the last time I made soup, but I had a soup party with my friends yesterday. We each made a soup and brought it, and we're just like, wow, why don't we eat soup more often? Like, it's so comforting, it's so good, you get so much of your veggies in there, like you could add protein as well. Why don't we eat it more? So honestly, I think I might start doing it because I love soup. It tastes so good, especially butternut squash soup, and I think the season for it is almost coming to an end, so I think I need to milk it out as much as I can while butternut squash is still in season. Okay, I just finished work and now I'm gonna make some dinner. The other week we did end up buying some ingredients to make carbonara, so that's what I'm gonna make right now. I have my guanciale, I have Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, and a couple of eggs. Carbonara is like super easy to make. You just have to make sure you cook everything properly, or else you're gonna like mess up the sauce a little bit. But right now I'm just gonna cut up the guanciale and then shred up the cheese, and we're gonna start cooking. Now he has done the eggs for me. He put 3 whole eggs in here and then 3 egg yolks. And now I'm just gonna shred the cheese. Look at this. It looks so good. Let's try it. Oh my god. I love carbonara. How was it?
Very good.
I feel like we used to have carbonara so often before. It's kind of like our go-to meal when people come over though. We usually make them carbonara. So we ordered Thai food from one of our favorite places, but everything looks so good. This is noodles. It kind of looks like a Filipino dish called pancit, and I feel like it's gonna taste quite similar to that. And this is pork jowl salad.
Yeah. With mint, chili. Yeah.
This is some grilled chicken, and this is a
Sour
pork sausage. But I'm very excited to eat.
You like the noodles? Oh. Did you try the noodles?
No. Morning, guys. It is midweek Wednesday. I do have to go into office again today. This morning I'm just eating a tangerine. Honestly, in the mornings I am usually not very hungry, and I've been on this really bad habit recently of not eating in the morning, so today I'm going to try to break that. I'm just going to start small by just eating a little baby tangerine. But I think today is going to be leftovers for lunch from yesterday, so I'm going to finish up that Thai food, and then we'll probably do some cooking later tonight as well. I feel like recently the weeks have been going by so slow, and the weekends go by so quickly. I literally woke up today and I was like, I can't believe it's only freaking Wednesday. Like, oh my god, I feel like it's been a month since this week started. But yesterday was a really nice and wholesome night for Naki's birthday. All he wanted to do was just watch Mad Men and eat Thai food at home, so that was fine with me. But it was really cute. Just got back from the gym, and before I shower I'm gonna marinate the miso salmon that I'm going to eat for dinner tonight. The marinade is super simple. I make it all the time. It's probably in like half of my freaking videos by now, but it is with miso, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and olive oil. So I literally just mix those all together, add my salmon, let that marinate for like 30-ish minutes, and then I am going to bake it in the oven. I typically like to mix it before I add the salmon because I think it just makes it easier to actually marinate on the salmon. So everything's just like already combined before putting it on. But this looks really good. So I have my miso salmon with some rice, and I'm also trying to finish off the squash soup that I made over the weekend. It's still delicious and one of my favorite things to eat. But let's dig in because I'm starving. So the main thing that I want to get done tonight is to finish crocheting my friend's birthday present. I'm going to her birthday party on Friday. So I made her this beanie at first, which I think was really cute, but I was like, I don't know how often she'll wear it. So I was thinking instead to make her a headband. I didn't think that she was going to like these colors anyways, and this was kind of like my test, but I also made it too big. So I think what I'm going to do now is try and make this version of this beanie into a headband instead, which I think will be really cute, and I think that she probably will wear it more often than she will wear this beanie.
Minute lap time or a 15-car pile up, but we're late because we spent so long asking questions that they're rushing us out right now.
Since I didn't eat one of these yesterday, I'm gonna have one right now. I love Portuguese egg tarts. They are honestly top tier dessert. So good. Oh my god. Good morning, guys. It's a work from home day today, and I'm making some breakfast for myself. This is usually what I eat for breakfast when I'm in the habit of having breakfast. It's just a really simple yogurt bowl. I've got Greek yogurt, peanut butter, and granola. Usually I also put chia seeds in it too, but I have no idea where my chia seeds are right now. So we're gonna eat this, and then I also have some leftover tangerine from yesterday, so I'm gonna eat that as well. Is lunchtime, and I'm eating Nathy's leftovers because he actually went to a work event last night and they went to a Mediterranean restaurant. They ordered so much food, they didn't eat most of it, so he brought home so much. Like, this is, I don't even think this is half of what he brought home yesterday, but we literally have a whole tuna tartare appetizer. I have steak, chicken, octopus, some onions here, so I'm just gonna eat it all with some bread. But this looks honestly so good. Like, this is literally going to feed me like 2 meals maybe. And I still have salmon that I made yesterday, so I have no idea how I'm going to get through all this food, but this looks so delicious. I'm really curious to see how the octopus tastes. I love octopus. Oh, that's really good. The steak, I think yesterday was probably like more medium rare, and after putting it into the microwave it's probably more medium now. So this is how I eat my steak, so it's kind of perfect. I love a tuna tartare. Any like raw tuna, so good. And when it's like Mediterranean style, oh my god, I love it. It has like avocado in it too, and then I have no idea what spices they put on it, but it's really nice. It's a little bit spicy, but it's more sweet, I would say. Eat mine. Chicken with my bread. He brought home all this protein and then absolutely no carbs, which is like so crazy to me, because I would think that if you're out eating and the food is free, like most people would try and eat more of the protein, but I guess like maybe they just got way too much, but fine with me. This is so good.
When I was a kid, I loved having responsibility. I still love having responsibility. And I try to make my kids have responsibility.
I just finished peeling these sweet potatoes. I'm gonna make it for my lunch for tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'm gonna continue eating the leftovers that Naoki brought home, so that Mediterranean food that I had for lunch. For dinner tonight, I'm just gonna eat what I made last night, which was the salmon and the rice. But for now, we're just gonna cook these and then I'll eat in a bit. I do have a workout class that I'm going to later on. My friend invited me to it, so I don't entirely know what the class is. She said it's like a booty sculpting class, so I feel like it's gonna be like a bunch of different stations and you do like different butt exercises, I guess. But I'm excited to try it because I've never been to this gym before. Class soon, but I did want to show you guys that I finished the headband today, and I think it looks so cute. I will say I did end up FaceTiming my friend because I was like, which one will you actually wear, because I don't want to give you one that you don't end up wearing, and she said she really wanted the headband, so I'm gonna give her this. It looks so nice and I hope that she likes it, but I think it's so good for the winter because you can have your hair up, your hair down, and your ears still covered. So I think this will be a really nice present to give her. Got home from the workout class not too long ago and showered. Now I am a little bit hungry and I like to eat after I work out, so I'm trying to finish up the tuna tartare from the leftovers from the other day. The workout class was so interesting because I didn't know what to expect. I like kind of knew what to expect, but it was also like a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be. But essentially there were 4 different stations, and then each station either had like 2 or 3 exercises that you had to do. And it was an hour long too. So like honestly, when I work out, I usually do 2 compound movements and then like 2 extra movements, and then that takes like an hour for me. So this is crazy because I was doing like 2 or 3 times the amount of movements that I usually do when I'm in the gym. So I was gassed. I was so tired. Like, it was a fun class, but I don't know if it's my preferred way of working out because I think it's just like way too much in a small amount of time. But I will say the pump was kind of crazy and it was really fun. And it was like obviously fun because like I was with my friends, and just like being in an environment of a workout class is always fun. So we'll see if I go back, but it was definitely an interesting experience. She also ended the class by us like holding a squat, and I was like, I literally can't. My legs are about to give up. I was shaking at the end. So I actually think I'm going to end the video here, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video this week, and I will see you in the next one.